Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to add mods to SKLauncher. So without further ado, let's get started. Now first go to your browser and then search for this site. Now here they have different mods from different games. So what you're going to do is simply search for your Minecraft mod. And here you can just simply search for Minecraft mod pack and just choose whatever mod pack that you want to use. For example, here I'm gonna just download it. Now just wait for a few seconds. It will automatically downloading. If not, it says that just click right here. And after that, just open your SKLauncher and then import your downloaded mod pack. And then just wait for it to download, and then that's it. Now, if this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.